Hi, everybody. I'm Dale Pinkert. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Blast off in cable. Blast off in the S&Ps. Hope a couple of people caught the rocket ride in the pound and took what I said to heart about the yen, that I thought that into mid-September that risk on would prevail. And if that was the case, there's going to be better shorting opportunities in US dollar yen while risk is still on. Still believe perhaps into late this week, early next week, that this risk on rally should be drawing to a conclusion. Still think there's a possibility of the S&Ps trading up towards its breakdown. 2030 was a breakdown, and looking to establish bearish positions in US dollar yen a little bit before the Fed. So here's the S&Ps. So everything hanging on world stock exchanges, so the FXI, the Shanghai, the S&Ps. Having trouble with this page. Anyway, can everyone hear me, see me clearly? How's everyone doing today? Hi, Alien. How are you? Alien's going to be our guest today in the second hour. He's done some technical work he wants to share with everyone. So I'm having trouble with this page. I'm going to get rid of it. How are you, Alien? Who else is here? I'm refreshing the chat page, see who's around. Veterans here. He wants an ID on Guppy. John's here Tuesday. Mauricio. Ickius. How's everyone doing? So the yen stalling here. I still think we're going to break through this 2025 level. Could take us up to 22 is a potential sell zone for the yen. Here's this. Extend this out. Takes us to 22 and near the 200. So this could be A, this could be B, and we could be in a C wave now in the yen. That's the way things look to me. Let's have a great week. Hope everyone had a great holiday. Guess I'll show my charts now, because I'm not doing it. I'm just talking about it. So this is what I was talking about in the yen, that basically with the S&Ps getting ready, moving into that scenario of a secondary peak in mid-September to late September. I mean, it could stretch into the equinox, that we're going to have better shorting opportunities in the yen, stalling at the 200 here. But when I look at the 4 hour, and this is going to be a big trade, okay? So this 4 hour is going to come in right around 122 again. Maybe we just get back above these highs. 2250 is a 200-day, but then I do expect this crash low in the end, the flash crash low, to be violated. So there's a big trade coming. This was 9 handles in the end from here, maybe 10. So I'm expecting at least equality once we get up here. But that's my view on the yen. Hello, Fame. Cocox, how are you? Veteran wants to know where to sell the Guppy. I wouldn't do it yet. I'd maybe wait for the pound to get to that 54.70 level. And the guppy was such a monster decline. There's your daily. Why can't we have a short squeeze all the way back to 190? You know, it's possible. 88, 190, maybe something like this from here. So I wouldn't be shorting that. Okay, we've got, thank you, Fame. You can see the charts now. So when I look at the euro, I think it's still possible the euro could take out these lows here because they did confirm on the Draghi thing. I'm still flat. Feels like I have a winning position as I covered bearish positions in the market, I don't know, a week ago, looking to reload on this recovery in the S&Ps or this pullback in the VIX, looking for a nasty October, November timeframe. So I've been focusing on that, probably even a little bit more than FX. But, you know, if I'm going to be an S&P or equity trader, I can certainly trade US dollar yen because they're joined at the hip right now. Risk on, risk off, especially with what's happening in Japan. You know, the Nikkei has been melting pretty good. And to the upside. Yeah. Or at least some type of recovery, right? At least a recovery. Right? And we peaked at, say, 95, 1,500 handle break. Why can't we rally back 61.8 back to 189? 189. Hi, Test. How are you? What's up, Test? You know, last week I had to take a test. I pulled an all-nighter studying for my test. Anyone know what test I had to take? It's a rough test. I stayed up all night studying for my urine test. Anyone ever pull an all-night? Who's ever studied for their urine analysis test? Give me a Y. I charted it. So everyone doing all right? That's what he's saying, I think. Retrace. Okay, this alien's going to tell you. Plus, alien's going to be with us. Alien, I need your handle, your email. Please send your email to Mauricio or post it here so he could get you in the hangout in about an hour. Yeah. Yeah, all the way back up to 200. Okay. Thank you. So can you do that? Share your email with Mauricio because we're not doing interviews via Skype anymore. We're doing interviews via Google Hangout. Oh, shoot, I lost it. I lost the chat page. Be right with you, everyone. So sometimes when I show charts, I close the wrong box. There we go. Hi, Rick. Rick, you're Good Morning America. We all are, Tess. Okay, Jax. What's the punchline, buddy? Yeah, I think Pinker called for it, right, Ruach? There you go. So, Mauricio, Alien's got a Gmail address. You got it? He's going to be our guest today, if you can hear me. So, how about a round of applause for Alien Ovicho stepping in for Nicholas Sharon? We have the Alien stepping in for Nicholas Sharon. Alien, I really want to send you my condolences. I think they found one of your relatives in Russia. That didn't make it, but I think we need to have at least a minute of silence for Alien's relative that visited our planet before Retail FX really got a foothold and everything. So hang on, I'm going to show it to you. Where is it? Okay. So everyone, offer your condolences to Alien Ovicho's great grandfather. And the caption of this was, I read online that I could trade for a living with a $10,000 account. So don't do this. Are they? Okay. You've done it before. So I offer my condolences to Alien. There's my condolences to you, buddy. I can see the I can see the family resemblance, although you have a much better green complexion. So I guess we all turn brown when we turn to dust. That's what I'm thinking. We all turn brown. My condolences, buddy. Everyone doing okay? John, how are you? I see a new handle in the room, Mathia. Everyone give Mathia a Lar welcome. Make him or her feel at home. I'm looking forward to talking to Alien. Everyone welcome Mathia to our community. Let's see what Ruach has for us here. Wow. So this is kind of his overview on different asset classes, commodities, stocks, bonds, S&Ps on top. Thank you, John. Everyone thank John for showing his work, his correlation work, and what he looks at every day to get a bias on the market. Everyone thank LMR. The Grays. Nice to meet you, the Grays. Everyone. Oh, we got the Grays. Okay, the Grays. I think the Grays are the good guys. So I'm still open. What kind of low is this in the euro here? This was post Draghi. This was after Draghi's speech. What kind of low is that? And I'll give you a hint. It makes me leery about declaring that low a bottom. What kind of low is that? Come on, Alien. You know what kind of low this is. Welcome to Lar Lazaro Diaz. John, you know what kind of low it is. Fame, you know what kind of low it is. Cox, you know. What kind of low is this? This was after Draghi spoke. What is this? Any guesses? Any guesses what kind of low that is in the euro after Draghi's press conference? Correctamundo, Alien. So, what does the real simple implicator imply after a confirmed low or high? What's the implication? What's a fairly high probability? Not 100%, maybe not even 90, but well over 50% of the time. So what does a real simple implicator imply after a confirmed low? It's just my theory, but you guys know it. What do confirmed highs and lows imply? What you got, John? Any verbal explanation of what I'm looking at here? Thank you, John. Not sure what you're trying to say with it. At least one. But it could confirm. It could confirm too. City Trader. What about City Trader? Hello, Lazaro Diaz. Welcome to LAR. Oh, you've been here before? Okay. So if we get new lows, that would just be the first divergence. Okay. And what level is important to me? Okay, thank you. Thank you. What level ideally do I like to see divergence? Right. Nothing. What is certain besides death? Anything else certain? That word does not apply to what we do. Veterans looking to buy the guppy, 8420. See, shorter term. Right here. Okay. Thank you, veteran. Um, Alien, can you post your Gmail account for me again, please? For the interview. I can't scroll back that far. Thank you, Alien. So good luck on that, veteran. Where's your stop? What are you looking for? Why don't you PM him then, Mauricio? You already did do that. So why don't you handle it with him? Can you PM him? Alien, don't post your email here. Post it on Skype to me. Put it on Skype. We don't want you to get spammed. No, uh-oh. Remove that. Remove it. Post it on Skype. I guess you're not worried, huh? Okay. If you could remove that, remove it now. He's got it. You know, there's a cost of fame. Thank you. Okay. You know, you're going to have people stalking you now. You need some bodyguards. You'd be like Pablo Escobar. So I've been watching this Netflix series called Narco. Anyone ever see that? What's the crew doing? Hey, Jax. 5470 is my guess. You're going to have it at 5470. Oh, it's already there. 54. Okay. I thought we might get up here, but this could be it. and then we get a pullback, and then one more rally. Everyone thank Jax for his look on, looks like a 5-minute chart. Oh, it's an hourly chart of the pound. If you're fortunate and you're long the pound, take half off, book it, pull up your stops, pull up your stops tight. Jax has a pretty good eye. Everyone thank Jax. Yeah, Alien was long, took 100 pips. Everyone thank Jax for his look. Thank you, Jax. So everyone who's new in here, this is how we communicate with each other. So if you don't have it, get some screenshot software and share your ideas the way Jax has done and Alien has done. This is how we communicate, collaborate. This is our mastermind. If GM All is still here, Ricardo, what are you looking at today? Cocox, how have you been? Haven't seen your handle in a while. Nice to see you. The Grays. I don't think Ziggy's here anymore. Oh, Zig is still here. Hi, Zig. That was a good tweet today. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, Zig. Okay. It's all right, Rick. It's a good handle for you. It could be a little longer. GM all my charts. GM all my charts. Good morning, all my charts. How are you today? And you have a very large flock of charts. You have a whole herd of charts, Ricardo. You've got a library of charts, Ricardo. I believe the walls in your house, instead of wallpaper in your house, you have charts throughout every room in your house with your little red markings on it. And you sit back and you have a glass of brandy and you look around your house and all you see are charts. And then you turn your TV on and you turn it to the technical channel and you watch charts. I don't understand. 420 and 55? Oh, so you're selling a piece at 420, selling another piece at 55. Okay, gotcha. Thank you, Ricardo. Yeah. Everyone thank Rick for his short idea and cable. Thank you, Ricardo. Someone's got a frog in their throat. Everyone doing okay? Can you guys hear my chair squeak? Yeah, that was a good one. $85.50. Thank you, buddy. So Rick's going to take advantage of this strength that we had in pound, considering it a bear market rally. Is it your view, Rick? Rick, is it your view that we're going to take out 151, head towards 47 in pound dollar? Your view on pound, because of the two positions you're talking about, that this was just a reflex rally and we're going to take out 151 on the next wave? Is that your thinking? Okay. Okay. Do you think it will? Well, you could try at least halfway back. 52.50, maybe 52.50. Maybe back to here. 52.75 or so. It's possible. What do you think, Rick? Alien? Everyone doing okay? Yen stalling at this resistance point right here. Big NASDAQ's leading the way. Euro's retracing the early morning decline. Look above Ichthys. He's shorting it at 420 and 55. Two entries. He didn't get either off yet, I don't think. We haven't been to 420 yet. So it looks like he has resting orders. I'm assuming he has resting orders to sell a piece at 420 and another at 55. Yeah, it doesn't that come in around 52 and a half if we get to 54, 70 or 55? We haven't been there. What do you got, John? John, I think you're going to have to explain these maybe with some text. Okay, what are you trying to say here? You have an arrow up in pound to 156. 156. And this is what? So John's looking for 156 in cable. Thank you, LMR. So that agrees with, so you were short earlier. So Jax is already on it. Jax is already on it. Didn't quite get to. Look at that little 3 drive. So what was the high? 418? And then he's looking for about 5260. Good hunting, Jax. Thank you, Jax. Mastermind at work. Everyone thank Jax. Thank you, LMR. Okay, the grays are looking for 55. Everyone has their own style of trading grays. We don't should people in here. No shooting allowed. We're all captains of our own ship. Is it a deal? No shooting in LAR. Who agrees with me? I don't like to be should on. Maybe you substitute that word with consider instead of should. Consider. What do you mean, veteran? A music wish. Yeah, I want to do a concert in front of 50,000 people. How's that? Can you arrange it? I want to sing in a beautiful arena. Thank you, buddy. Everyone doing all right? Who's in the house today? Who's hanging with us? It's been very, very hot in here. Okay. You know what people used to say to me? Anyone ever say you have a great face for radio? Here's Jack's long Euro call here. People used to say that to me. Dale, you have a great face for radio. All right, Jax is trying it. Looking for another wave. Everyone thank Jax. Thank you, Jax, for your Euro look. Everyone thank Jax. Jax is short pound, long Euro. It's almost like being long Euro pound here, which is in a corrective stage. I'm thinking Euro pound could get back down to the 71.5 level. Still correcting more in price than time, but there could be another 100 pips to the downside in Euro pound. I think it's a buy down there at 71.50. You like that? You like that one? See, I'll prove it to you. See, you're not the only one, okay? See. I too have a perfect face for radio and YouTube. I too have a perfect face for radio. So let's put the radio back on. Thank you, Carlos. How are you, buddy? You know, I sang happy birthday to you on, I think it was Friday, here in the room. I sang happy birthday to you. I could do it again. Carlos wasn't here for his birthday song Friday, so it's still your birthday, man. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carlos. May the pips follow you. Everyone wish Carlos happy birthday. How old are you now? Oh, Cocox likes 3 drives now, huh? Where'd you learn that, man? Oh, look at that. Take a picture at a 3 drive to a top formation. Look at that. Take a picture. Confirmed high, first divergence, but over 70. Second divergence, under 70. Where'd you learn that trick? Where'd you learn that trick, Cocox? That's a pretty good trick. Back at you, Carlos. Oh, congratulations. Does it work? Wow. May you have another 48. May you have another 48. You got a short here? Yeah. So you're looking at what I'm looking at. Oh, it's in a buy zone for you? I think it's going to break the buy zone. Thank you. Maybe I'm wrong. Everyone thank Jax for ZG look. Everyone thank Jax for his Euro-Pound look. See you, veteran. Get your banjo out, Jax. Let's jam. I think we should jam together. Jax, what do you think? Find a song we both know? Let's do smoking here, buddy. Yeah, bro. Yeah, let's go. Lefty? Yeah, we can breathe. Killing my dog. Thank you, Jax. No, this doesn't look like a top to me. Yeah. I think the pound outperforms for another day or so, and Rick gets the shorts off. And that's how EG could pull back. But what do I know? Right? What do I know? Okay, Kokak, take it easy. Thanks for dropping in. Good luck on your pound trade. Learn Mountain Dew? Okay. Good boy, Rusty. Good boy. Good boy. Should I drink Mountain Dew or just learn it? He used to love Mountain Dew. A lot of sugar and caffeine, and this is a CAD. CAD's rolling over. You know, I didn't even look at CAD today. Thank you, John. Some negative looking action in the CAD. And I still think it's going to make a run. I still think it makes a run to 34.80. I still want to see these highs taken out in USD CAD. I think someone's mic is open. I can hear other people. So where do you live, Lazaro? Where are you from, buddy? Grays, what planet are you from? Ichius, where do you trade from? Mathia, where do you trade from? Just want to get a feel for the geos in the room. So I still think Canada makes its run. Yeah, I've never tried it. Mail me a bottle. Can you get me some? It's not like Everclear. Is it like grain alcohol? Like Everclear? Aussie yen. Euro yen. Welcome, welcome, Mathia. How's life in Malaysia? Really? Okay. Alien's your brother? But he's not gray. He's green. Look at his avatar. Okay, sounds good, man. We'll watch some football and pass out. Really? Okay. The planet of Tunisia. The planet of Tunisia. Yeah, a mason jar, you get what, 32 ounces? You get 2 beers in a mason jar. I'm a lightweight. So there are 2 races on the same planet. I hope you guys get along better than we do on Earth. Do different races of aliens get along better than different races of people here on planet Earth? Life is good in Malaysia. Glad to hear that. You're a character. So this was a 3 drive that Kokok saw on the 15-minute. So he saw this. Just something I share with people. 3 drive formations. Actually never got there. Sometimes within the last drive, you could have a 3 drive for the 3rd drive. So we're about 15 minutes away from speaking with Alien. Stand by for our visitor from another realm. Hi, Jay. How are you? Hope you had a nice holiday. Looks green to me. You're buying lunch for the Grays today. Thanks for giving it a shot, John. You got it. I want to thank John for beginning to contribute with some visuals here in our community. In the cloud, looking for 52 again. Nice work, John. Everyone thank John for his look here. Showing the pound moving into the cloud and then coming off towards 52. Nice work, John. Thank you. Everyone thank John. Thank you, John. Hi, Armand. How are you? I'm telling you, Rick, that noise is not coming from me. Thank you, LMR, for your Brent look. Thank you.
Que dice, debería llevar un momentico las prendas que están ahí, allá para el banco.
What are you stalking, Armand?
Vale.
13 minutes for the interview with Alien. You lost your virginity. John's lost his screenshot. John's lost his screenshot virginity. Yeah, I thought so. Oh, okay. The Grays. Yeah. So I learned something from you today. Thank you, Gray. Everyone okay? What are you up to, Armand? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you pointed out that 151 support got pretty close. You're the man. Armand's the man. He bought cable on Friday. Bought it near support and rode it all weekend. He took some profits. He's flat now. Armand's a man. Armand's the man. Congratulations, Armand. You won the Man Award today. Good, Jay. How about you, man? Okay. Maybe back to 82.50, 82 and a half. How do you like that Man Award song? What do you guys think of that Man Award song? Thank you, Icky. Does he have a chart? Can you show us a chart? The Man song? Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I don't spend a lot of time. We can't play it. We had to retire it, Gray. Can't can't play anyone else's copyrighted material on YouTube. Sorry, buddy. You're stuck with me. There's a look from Rick on the pound. Okay. Yeah, it would have to break down. Nice look, Rick. Thank you, buddy. Everyone thank Rick for that look on cable. Stand by for Alien in about 7 minutes. Rob Kane's in the house. Here's Rob's Kane lines. Neutral until we get above 1220. Bearish below 1120. Thank you, Rob Kane. Everyone thank Rob for his Kane lines on Euro. I miss the music too, buddy. Thank you, Rob. Everyone thank Rob.